Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error. An attempt was made to access a socket in a way forbidden by its access permissions. So you will be getting this error in Python or Flask application. I'm getting it in my Flask application, but the solution is going to be common across everything. So the reason why we are getting this error is because we are trying to run the application in a particular port which has been already occupied by some other application. So the simplest way to solve this problem is just changing the port number. So in my case, in Flask, I will just go here. You need to have this main, and inside that you will be having this app.run, right? Just change the port number. Let me go with port 8080, and if you also get this error even after changing the port, which means that that port number is also busy. So try changing to some other port number which isn't occupied at the moment. So that's it. This works in Flask. So just rerun the application, and this time you can see my application has started running on localhost port number 8080. So this is the solution, guys. Just try changing the port number, and I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I run a lot of CRUD operations and programming videos by using Node.js, Spring Boot, MongoDB, MySQL, Flask, and other AI APIs and tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.